Alright guys, this might be a bit shaky because I'm filming with the front facing camera, but yeah. So we're gonna replace this light up here. It's just too dim, but one precaution before I continue. You must turn off the power outside, like at your power box. First step to remove the old one. You will find some dead bugs inside the cover. We'll pop that down. Okay, looks pretty simple. Oh, you don't want to break these types of lamps. Yeah, you don't want to break them. They're glass. Unlike the LEDs that we're going to install, which are better in almost every way. So, just connect these two terminals. You see that? The orange things? Those orange caps. Unscrew them, just like you're unscrewing, I don't know, a soda cap. I'll put this on my ladder. And I'm going to get my screwdriver. And I will remove these two screws, one here and one here. There you go, 1, 2. Okay? So I'll cut the video here. Alright. Remember to catch it so it doesn't fall down. Actually, no, you don't have to catch it. There's guide holes for... Just gotta guide it there. There's 1 and 2. Hang on. Oh shoot, I didn't take into consideration this has a ground wire. Letting that hang is very risky. So while I do that, there is a ground terminal up here. Oh, don't mind the yelling, that's just my parents. Alright, so I got it. Ooh, just some maneuver with the screwdriver. Alright, got it. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let it hang here just for a quick second while I get my wire cutter. So please stand by. Alright, so the new lamp we're installing, I got that from Lowe's. It's quite nice because it's, well, LED. So this actually goes right where the old one was. So pop these two screws out and then screw this bracket onto the ceiling. Easy as that. Sorry, I don't know if I can drop a link to where I got this, but I think a lot of them are, I don't know, universal. Person there told me a lot of them are universal. Gonna unscrew these. Alright, so I'm gonna use the same screws, don't use the ones included this time. See where it lines up. That goes off to the side. Okay. I'm going to give another warning in case some of you skipped that bit of the video. Please, please turn off the power before you start working on this. Guess what? I'll tell you, it saves your life. Alright, so I will keep them balanced like that. Or inside there. Okay, so I want them balanced and both resting on the outside. This is triggering my OCD. Oh, okay. That will be difficult. Actually, I'll cut the film here, and I will tighten this up off camera so you don't have to watch this. I'll skip to the good part. You won't really be able to see this bit, but here's what you do. Here's the bottom of the lamp I got. This copper wire goes to the ground because it says ground. The white one goes to the white, and the black one goes to the black. Simple as that. They gave me a pack of these install twist tie things. They're not twist ties, they're just twist on connectors. So we'll use those. Alright, so there's 3 of them. One for ground, one for white, and one for black. Those are 3 colors of wires that we're going to use today. Throw the little baggie into the trash can. Alright, so you can skip by this part if you'd like. I don't really mind if you do that. Why did I say that? Alright. So I'm working with one hand, basically. And the other hand, tie it on. Oh no. Oh no, didn't catch. This is getting tricky. So you gotta have good hand-eye coordination, I think. That's what it's called. To make all this work. Alright, we're good. Now time to connect the last wire, the ground wire. If I'm right, this is actually quite difficult because it moves around a lot. But I'll manage to get it to work. Got it. Now I'll just stick everything back up. Alright, that's good. Now put this washer on, and now this nut, whilst holding that up. Good. Now, take a small wrench and kind of tighten it up. So I'll do that off camera. Just don't tighten it till the plastic breaks. That'll be bad. But just tighten it far enough that you think it's tight and that it'll support a piece of glass because that's what's going over it. So, give me a second. Alright guys, now we're going to line up the indents on the cover. There are some indents you can see with the notches that are already here. So now, there's one. Now, hold it up there and twist it. And now it's safe. Okay, because holding on to the bit without an indent. Okay, so there you go. It is done. Now I'll turn back on the power and we shall see how bright this one is. So, I'll show you my power box actually. Power box. Just flick that right back on and we'll check it out. The moment of truth, as you can see, it is installed, it is ready. Let's press power. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's 1,600 lumens. And there's my bathroom. Illuminated by this light. So there you go. That is how you install a brand new lamp in your bathroom. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.